Welcome back. Today I am going to be sharing one of the best time-saving hacks that I know of right now, and I am really in love with this product. So you guys may have heard of it or you may not have heard of it. It's called the Tovala oven. Oh my god, I am so greatly appreciative that Tovala partnered with me and sent me this oven to test out and try out, as well as some meals. And guys, oh my god, it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, this oven, let me just start with, first off, you know how when you have those tiresome days, you've worked all day, the last thing you feel like doing is being in the kitchen an hour or 2 hours preparing food. This machine is such a time saver, okay? So let me just tell you what all it can do. So it cooks food in under 20 minutes. It's also less than a minute of prep time, plus the food is delicious. But let me just start with the oven, because we're gonna discuss the meals, and I'm very picky when it comes to food. So the oven is like an all-in-one oven. It can bake, it can broil, it can steam, toast. It's amazing. When my husband comes to me and tells me that he loves this oven, that means it's a really good oven. Hands down, this oven is amazing. It cooks food just as well as my big oven. All in this little bitty box, this little bitty product. It's a really amazing oven. I was highly impressed and super ecstatic. I could not wait to shoot this video, because I love sharing with you guys things that I like and that work, and I don't like to share with you guys things that I don't like and would never use. So we replaced our $70 oven that we got for Black Friday last year, I believe. And when I tell you, this Tovala oven has surpassed it, literally, like, oh my god, I'm mind blown. Like, it is more expensive, but it is so worth it. Like I said, you can have customized cycles on it. It can do all of that at one time. Like, you can go from baking to steaming, all of that. It will cycle through all the different settings. Like, it is so cool. Now, let's talk about the meals. It's not loud at all. So they have chef curated meals, and I tried out all of them and they all were good. Now, my favorite, they got this cornbread. Oh my God. The cornbread was amazing. I'm a bread person anyway, and I'm a Southern girl, but when I tell you, I haven't had cornbread that good in a long time. And I've had a lot of Southern cornbread, homemade cornbread, and that cornbread, like, oh my God. I wish I could just, you know, let you guys taste it, but it was really, really good. So talking about the meals, all the meals cooks in under 20 minutes and they're chef curated meals. And so that's great all in of itself because like it exposed me to foods I would have never cooked. So, and the meals are so delicious, like they're so good. That's Ace you guys hear in the background. So, you know, the food definitely helps to take you out your comfort zone and give you like a restaurant style meal without having to go to the restaurant. But their meals are so delicious and they come pre-packaged. They come already in a bin, so the whole system makes your life easier. So it's literally no need to like prep, cook, shop, or clean. If you want to eat out the aluminum bowls, you can, and then just toss them. I will say I love the service, I love the oven. Now the meals are kind of pricey, so for me, like on my filming days, I'm so tired, I'm so overwhelmed, this would just be perfect. So even if I don't like have one of their meals every night or for every meal, they would be perfect for those overly busy days, especially with having a baby and working. You have those days where you're exhausted, the last thing you feel like doing is cooking, you just want to throw on a meal. And so their meals is a great way to have, you know, a healthy, delicious meal without having to worry about shopping and prepping and cleaning or cooking. It's amazing. Really perfect for busy moms, especially, you know, on those days you can't really afford to spend an hour or 2 hours in the kitchen. You got so many things to do. You gotta give the baby a bath, put the baby to bed, and you know, you gotta feed yourself and your other kids too. So, you know, it comes in really good handy with those. But the oven itself still cooks other meals. Like we've baked cookies in it and so many things, and the oven cooks it just as good as my big oven. I cannot harp enough about that. It really does. So it's really cool, really great oven. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Let me also point out that this oven is so quiet. It is so quiet. We didn't even realize it was on. Like when we turned it on to cook, you can't even hear it. So if you're interested in trying Tovala for yourself, I will leave a link below. That is Ace. So like I was saying, I will leave a link below in the description box if you're interested in trying out this oven. I highly recommend you guys get one. Like, it has changed my game, okay? Like, I don't feel like cooking all the time, and on those days where I don't feel like cooking, I will be throwing food in the oven.